Hi everyone, welcome to the AVC Labs channel. This is not who I am, and this is not my voice. This is an AI animated avatar I created. The whole operation process is very easy. We will only use the two tools Midjourney and Did. Are you ready to create your very own digital persona and see it come to life? Let's start. The first tool we use is Midjourney. We use it to create digital persona. Type / and select images, then enter some descriptive keywords for the image you want to create. Send them out and wait for the picture to finish. After the processing is complete, you can click on the picture to view and save the one you are satisfied with. Then the second tool we're going to use is Did. We use it to create an animated talking AI avatar. Upload the pictures we made with Midjourney here. Then you can enter the dubbing content you want to add in the blank area on the right. Here you can choose the voice of the character at will. Click here to preview the dubbing effect.
Hi everyone, welcome to the AVC Labs channel. This is not who I am, and this is not my voice.
Hi everyone, welcome to the AVC Labs channel. It's not who I am, and this is not my voice. After the selection is complete, you can click here to generate a video. Then you can view the final video. Hi everyone, welcome to the AVC Labs channel. That's all for today. The whole process is very easy to operate. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe us. If you want to experience more AI products, please try AVC Labs Video Enhancer AI and AVC Labs Photo Enhancer AI.